How to fix phone number can be used for Google verification. Here's how. To begin with, go to the Google verification page. Now make sure the country code is correct. To do this, click on the down arrow and browse the list and select your country. This ensures that the phone number format is valid for Google to send a verification code. After updating the country code, go to your phone settings and click on the search bar at the top and type VPN. Then select it from the search result. If a VPN is currently turned on, toggle the switch to off position. Additionally, go back and find and click on apps. Moreover, tap on Manage App and search for Google Play services. Likewise, click on the Clear Data at the bottom right corner and select Clear Cache. Moreover, confirm your action when prompted. Lastly, if none of these steps solve the issue, wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying again. Google might have restricted your number due to too many attempts, and that's all. I hope this video helped.